As soon as he pulls up and we close the doors, we declaring a holiday. All right, here it goes. We're gonna see if it falls. Ain't nothing magic about that black thing around it, dude. No. He just pulled up against it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just
Y'all
weather
better
safe.
say a prayer. Come on, Jesus. Help us.
He's gonna go easy, he said. Go easy. Oh yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's not even moving. God, we're good.
The journey of 1,000 miles starts with the first 5 feet. The first 5 feet.
No, you got to pull up behind that fence.
Get up there where it's dry anyway. I don't know if you want to climb anything. Is there a lamp in front?
Is that ice? It is ice. Yes.
Another 3 feet on still. You hurt myself now.
I'm gonna get it as it happens. You alright?
Hey, buddy, what you doing?
He can't go forward and he can't go backwards.
It's amazing. Is that not one
You
full
got a
truck?
picture of that?
That's about as full as it gets right there.
Yep. I hope you don't have to stop and weigh that anymore. I'd hate to know what that weighed. You need your seal?
Yes. All right.
You need the seals? You need the seals?
Yeah.
Back it up, put seal right here, the main door, okay?
Okay, here they are.
You know how to seal?
Yes. You just say, it's okay. Just wait right there.
Wait. Smile.
You can't speak a lick of English, can you?
Yeah, those are the seals.
Those two?
Just two?
Just two.
There's
One
four.
goes on one side, one goes on the other side.
There's 4 things. What's those seals mean?
You can't unlock. You can't open the door.
Oh, okay.
If they're broken, somebody's been into it.
Hey, Pam,
Yeah?
unlock the door.
Well, sorry. There's stuff in front of it.
Katie's got it.
Charlie, there's stuff in front of it.
Right here, hey?
See?
Yeah, just see.
Taking the door.